What if the absolute smartest financial decision you could possibly make right now is to continue renting your apartment while buying real estate completely somewhere else? For decades, we have been relentlessly brainwashed into believing that buying a primary residence is the ultimate American dream, but in today's insanely expensive housing market, that math is completely broken. This incredibly powerful wealth-building strategy is known as rentvesting, where you deliberately choose to rent your living space in a premier expensive city while actively buying cash-flowing properties in highly affordable out-of-state markets. By completely separating your personal lifestyle desires from your hardcore financial investments, you get to live exactly where you want, without being handcuffed to a massive, unmanageable mortgage payment. Because you are buying rental properties strictly for their high cash-and-cash return, rather than emotional appeal, you can easily acquire multiple assets for the exact same down payment as one local starter home. The passive rental income generated by these distant properties will effectively offset your personal living expenses and drastically accelerate your timeline to true financial independence. Let's break down the specific mathematical formula you need to run to mathematically determine if rent vesting is a more profitable long-term strategy than buying a house in your current city.